Hey guys, Mr. Servi here, and today I'll be doing a review on the 1 to 144 scale high grade Gundam Exia Dark Matter from Gundam Build Fighters. In the show, this suit is a badass fight going up against the Build Strike. It was totally awesome, so I had to get it. So, with colors, you get this like very, very dark red, a little burgundy. I think that's burgundy, yeah, like a sort of burgundy for the crotch piece and the hips. You got a gray. You get clear pieces, clear red pieces for the legs, arms, chest, and I guess elbows. And for stickers, what you have is the yellow vent stickers right here, the eyes right there, the head sticker, the silver stickers underneath the red pieces. This gray piece right here is a sticker, as well as this one. And what else? The eye stickers on the backpack itself, and the ones on the back of the head. There were stickers right here on the swords. I took those off because they were red stickers, and I just took them off because I think this, having a gray, excuse me, a gray piece of plastic actually added a little bit more color to an already like red sword. It was like they were red stickers and they look really bad red, so this is actually a lot better than that. And yeah, so on to articulation. I'm gonna take these accessories off and we can go from there. So take that off, and I don't know if you guys, when you get the model, you want to do this, but I would glue it on, but not quite sure. I haven't done it yet because I haven't played around with it yet to see if I should glue it. I'm gonna take this off. The model does come with covers. They're like exactly like the ones on the sword. You can actually take these off. Actually, did I glue these on? Nope, they're just really stiff. I put super glue because they're really, really loose on the hips. So I'm just gonna keep them on because I like them that way. So I would recommend you put some super glue on those, like I said. So take that off. I will take the backpack off. So just pop it off. They're just on 2 pegs. And now onto articulation of the model itself. So for basic articulation is just like the normal Exia. I have the Exia, but it's the Avalanche Exia, and the articulation is limited on that one, so I don't know the actual articulation of the actual Exia, so I'm just gonna go over it anyway. So for head, does it go back and forth? Yes, it does. It goes back and forth, rotates about that far until it gets stuck on these collar pieces right here. Goes up, doesn't go up that high since it's a rather large head. Arms rotate 360 without the backpack. With the backpack, I think they only go about that far because then the arms will run into the backpack. Arms go out from the shoulder that far. Rotate below the shoulder at this joint right here. Elbows bend that far, about I'm not. It's more than a 90, obviously, but it bends about a 90. Hand is on a wrist, so yeah. Oh, then this is a sticker as well. And arms can go forwards and back. Waist rotates 360. Can't do it with the backpack on, obviously. Hips go out that far. They can't go any farther without these. They can probably go farther without them. Nah. The leg bends very nicely. The skirts come molded as one piece. You can cut them in half. The hip, there's a peg connecting these 2 legs together to the actual crotch area, so that is separate slightly. You can do a little forwards and back like that. Foot is on a ball joint and a hinge at the ankle, so forwards and back, rotate, and side to side. There is no toe movement. It is not a real grade. It would be awesome if they didn't make a real grade. Oh, and legs can't go far at all because these are actually molded plastic. And now for articulation. I mean, not articulation, weapons and accessories. So you saw the first accessory. This is like the normal Exia, has the GN. I don't know what this is called actually. This is like the GN. I have the manual right here, so give me a second. Unless the manual doesn't tell me. It is in Japanese, so I have no idea what it says. So this is, I guess, the GNB, the GN beam rifle. So yeah, it goes on like the normal Exia GN sword. I guess you can take this off just to slide it into the hand. So this handle is on a joint, so it goes forwards and back. This is just pegged in, and it can go forwards and back. So like the normal Exia, that has that little peg hole right there. Like right there, just peg this on, like so. And just replace this. Sorry guys, I'm getting over a little cold. So that goes on like that. And this little tiny hole right there actually accepts a beam saber. And this model does come with 2 clear pink beams, even though you only need 1. You just peg it. And you have to fight a little bit because it doesn't quite go in right. So you have to play around with it. And there you go. So there you go. He has a GN beam saber. And he can also block. I'm pretty sure this can also fire. Yeah, it can fire beam. Because there's a rifle there. Duh. So stab, shoot, slice, dice, all that good stuff. So, and I'm gonna take this off so we can talk about these 2 things. These are its 2 swords. This is one. I think this element was fire, obviously, because it's an orange clear orange piece. And this one, I think it's ice, and they said you can actually get this like clear blue tape thing, and just put it on there. I don't want to get that because I love the way this looks. I might paint it silver. It'll give you a little bit an sort of icy effect. So this model comes with these 2 special folding hands for these swords. I don't know exactly what they're called. I will have to look on the internet. So there's one for the right hand and one for the left hand, or left and right hand. I think I said them backwards. So I don't know which way he prefers to have them, but there's one. Just come apart a little bit. Oh, I put this back on. And there you go. He has his 2 amazing swords. So those are very nice. They can also be mounted on his hips like so. But I'm not going to put it on the hips because these swords actually get in the way of the backpack when you put the backpack on. But before that, I should actually do these last, because on the backpack, which just pegs in to the back of the Exia, you cannot mount the old GN drive on here because it's actually a different back mold. So you just peg it in like so, and he has his amazing backpack on. So you can actually get some pretty majestic poses with him with this. So yeah. And on the backpack there are 2 more swords. So in total, let's see, he has 4, 2, 4, 5. He has 5 swords on him in total. So he's 2 short of these normal Exia. So he has these 2 swords that were normally like this on the model, or like that, I believe. Yeah, like this. The handle down. And what you do is that you just fold this out fully like that and flip out a handle. And so now you need the normal hands again. And where's that one? So you have another sword. It doesn't hold it very well for me, I guess, or unless I'm putting this on wrong. But yeah, or maybe it goes like this. So he has these swords right here, like so. He has two of them. All these because there's two on the backpack. Stand up, Exia. So he can actually totally dice you up, because you knock one sword out, he's gonna have 3 more, or 4 more. So actually, that's actually a pretty nice pose right there. And that's about it for accessories. There's one more gimmick you can do. This backpack, not only can it can attach to other mobile suits, it can also become a little bat thing. So just take these off again. Like that. I don't remember if this is exactly how you do it, but this is how I do it because I think it looks fucking amazing. Nope, wrong way. So there we go. There is the bat pack. Yeah, if you can hear that, bat. It's a bat. So yeah, and it can also attach to other suits that can receive that peg. So what I have here is I have the Build Strike with its backpack coming off, and it's gonna have this, and the Dark Matter Strike is born. So I think that actually looks pretty cool. So freedom, guys. Just kidding. I could get another one of these and totally make a freedom paint mold out of this, but I have too many projects on hand. So yeah, this is the backpack for the Exia Dark Matter, which is actually pretty cool. I love this guy. I thought he was a complete badass in the show for the 2 episodes that actually had the full version of it, or 1 episode. So there, I'll finish this review off with a size comparison, and I'll see you guys at the next review.